Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about the software development engineer 1 role that has opened up in Amazon. This is a part of the university talent acquisition program, so this is especially for freshers. This will be an on-site job where you'll have to be present in office in Bengaluru, Karnataka. So, as a part of the basic qualifications, they have listed that you need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or any other related field. You need to have some knowledge in computer science fundamentals like object oriented designing, algorithm design, data structures, problem solving, some complexity problems, some proficiency in programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, or Perl. Now, these are all the basic qualifications that they have listed. As a part of the preferred qualifications, they would it's always a bonus if you have some experience in previous technical internships, some knowledge of distributed multi-tiered systems, algorithms, relational databases, some experience in optimization mathematics, such as linear programming and non-linear optimization. If you're able to articulate any kind of technical challenges or solutions well, and if you're able to handle any kind of ambiguous or undefined problems which don't have much clarity in their end solution with stability, then these are all qualities that most companies and most teams would desire you to have. So these are all the qualifications that you have to meet, or the preferred qualifications that Amazon has listed for this job. Now, moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow for their university talent acquisition program. The hiring process for this role, it is focused mostly on interviews. You don't have any written round for it. So for this first round, you will be having a technical interview, uh, where you might be asked some OOPS implementation question. Where you'll have to create your own classes and functions. You might have some data structures integrated into the solution as well. So you will have to first talk about your approach, satisfy the interviewer about the complexity, and then you have to actually code the solution and make it work for the test cases. So, if the interviewer is satisfied with your first answer, there will be a second question in this round itself, which will be more focused on DSA concepts, on traversals, mostly maybe binary trees or uh, graphs that might be asked in this round. Now, once you get through your second round, the second question, and you get selected for your second interview, the second interview is more focused on DSA, and you might be asked some leadership based questions as well, like about a time where you had to learn some technology that was uh, not a part of your curriculum or not a part of your internship, and what your experience was with that, right? uh, this kind of question might be asked, but again you will be asked some DSA based questions, some questions about strings, graphs you can expect for the second round of interview. For the third round, it is again a leadership plus DSA based question. um, how you had to solve a problem that you had faced in the past, and how you dived deep into it, and you had clarity about your solution and how you have come out of that situation. So this kind of question can be asked. Some questions about how you handle negative feedback, constructive criticism, right? These kind of questions can be asked, but again there will be a focus on DSA as well. Some questions like longest substring, um, something around that might be asked for this third round. Now there will be 3 rounds. These are the 3 rounds that you'll have to sit for. If you get through the third round, you will be selected for this SDE1 role as a part of the university talent acquisition program at Amazon. Now, whether you get selected or not make sure you apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for internships and job roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.